We have news today too. Had
Really? What time?
I have no idea.
It was a had though. It's in the past. No more
Um,
news.
well, we have
Wait, one more at
Orange
10.
Bowl.
See that?
Yeah,
Wow. Well, look how
honest,
choppy the 1 hour is.
holy fun. I mean, this could provide like a
Pretty good setup. First one I've
yeah,
seen all
like
fucking
a
week that actually it's not fighting against like 19 other odds.
yeah.
I'll keep my mind out. Mind open. Oh yeah. There's a lot of it. We're accumulating. Well, so the big thing is every single other time, like this week, we've started the market already in the like manipulation or distribution.
Yeah,
Within like the first 5 minutes, we're either manipulating and then distributing just right away. And with the market open volatility, and with that market open volatility, there's just no retracements, dude. You just pound.
yeah.
It's crazy. All black the coupe from the Chevy to the Phantom. I figured out what I need to fucking do, to be honest with you.
What?
Just need to do what I originally set out to do. I don't know why I got all gung ho. Forgot how to train my strategy. Like my original strategy is take when you have opposing confluence, just go the safe route and take the position out or take some off. And I haven't been doing that at all. I don't know why I haven't been doing that, but that's what cost me the other day. If I would have just taken the position off at the opposing gap, I would be up honestly really good. Those two trades would have worked out really well instead of getting swept like 3 times. Mm-hmm. But yeah, I don't know. So I'm just gonna start doing that, paying myself. I don't know why I'm being so damn risky when these accounts are so low. I'm like really going for like, this thing either hits 150 bucks or nothing. It's like that shouldn't be my mindset when I'm trading this strategy. This is a scalping strategy. It's aiming for a 1 to 2, but a lot of the times, realistically, it hits like a 1 to 1 or a 1 to 1.5, and that's should be fine with me.
Mm-hmm.
I just forgot the purpose of the strategy. I've been paying the price for it. I don't know why, but just been making bad decisions.
Yeah.
Well, that's not good. I just did all my charting on NQ.
We're in a bullish 1 hour as well. Or we were holding a bullish 1 hour.
See that.
We have a bunch of bullish 1 hours
I
on
have a
us.
lot of fucking wicks.
Yeah.
Uh, Some of it think forms like right now. I'm still trying to. I actually charted on fucking NQ. I want to chart. I want to start trading on MNQ just because sometimes the setups are a little bit different.
Yeah.
Like just enough. Like maybe sometimes NQ sweeps, MNQ doesn't, or it's enough of a difference. We're like, oh, maybe I should pay attention to that. What does this even mean? I don't even know what the fuck a PDC is. The only problem I see here is if we go up, 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 up. If we start ripping to the upside, then it's gonna be just nothing. Like
Yeah.
past all these highs, and we just keep ripping.
Agree.
But we could set up with something kind of nice here. I'm really mixed bias right now. I honestly don't have a bias. Like, it's whichever way it goes.
Yeah.
Shorts look good if it goes up. Longs look good if it goes down. Which is honestly better. I would rather have it that
I would
way.
honestly prefer it. Yeah.
Keep some stress off you. Because you don't have to have it go one direction. That's how I feel like it's been a lot this week. It's like, oh, if it doesn't go fucking up and hit this fair value gap and sweep this liquidity and react right here, there's no trades. And then it just doesn't do that and you're just pissed. Well, today's going to be the big day on if the algo makes money tonight, this month or not. If it wins today, it makes $600 this month on only 2 minis. If it loses today, I think it's... I want to say it's only made like 300 or 200. If it's only made 200, then if it wins today, it'll make 500. Which is nothing to write home about, to be honest with you. This month has been really bad, even for the algo. I've got an old mentor working on a completely, like, fucking trading bot. Like, it will do everything on its own. It just runs on its own. That will be interesting. I told him I'm willing to test it. The only problem is, though, the bot is a fucking swing trader, so you need a live account. Preferably. And it swings, dude. The fucker swings for the hills. I think it made like $700 yesterday on 3 micros, he said.
Damn. Bro, you can make crazy money swing trading, bro.
I know, but dude, prop firms just choke you out. Like, there's no fucking way you'd want to do it on a prop firm. Prop firms are designed for scalping, you know?
For sure.
Well, actually, they are 100%, you know, because they don't even let you hold overnight. You know?
Yeah.
Market closes and they close your position. Little fucking cucks. Would be crazy, though. A lot of the big swing traders, they're looking at fucking weekly and daily charts. They place one trade a month and then it runs all month.
London took out Asian high influence. So we can really, if we take out London low, we can expect the highs and then vice versa.
What London low are you looking at? We already grabbed it in the pre-market.
You sure?
I got 8.15. What's that? The London low you're talking about?
I go from when New York opens.
Oh. Then I guess that's his. Well, you know what's funny is they technically overlap. They technically overlap. So even though like this is New York session, I think London still goes till, I don't know, 10 or something. Maybe not
I
quite.
hope we don't just dump all the way down here, and I hope we get an actual pullback. But honestly, we'll probably just get an inverse 5-minute fair value gap, and then everybody's gonna take that because that's what I've seen all these other traders doing. Is we inverse a 5-minute and they take it.
Well, AI overview is fucking wrong. It says, dude, this Google is saying it fucking runs from. Oh, maybe this is right then. Wait, hold up. GMT. Why the fuck would you use? Why wouldn't they use fucking Eastern Standard Time? Yeah. So London runs from 3 a.m. to 12 p.m. So it goes through like all of fucking New York session 2 technically.
Yeah.
Just like we have the AM and PM session. And we technically go into I don't think we hit Asian. I don't think we do. But yeah, technically the Londoners are still trading this shit. When you're in pieces and you feel like you're drowning. Not a bad trade here, to be honest with you, but but now I just realized I'm looking on the 5 minute chart. That makes a lot more sense.
Yeah. That's what I've been doing to save me from a lot of like losses and taking trades. It's just sitting on the higher time frames.
No, it wasn't that bad. Hmm. Gave me General Mountain Time. Who the fuck uses General Mountain Time for trading?
I think it's who in Colorado
I guess, bro.
or Utah. I don't know. Hmm. I would really like shorts to the downside. Like I like the look of that right now. If we get like a pullback and like an internal
I
sweep.
know, I like it too, but I'd like you said, I'd want an internal sweep. But dude, it's gonna be tricky to get that. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, no, we've just been dumping to lows. No, we don't get internal sweeps.
Yeah, no shit. It's my
Unless
fucking.
you're going to reverse and go into fucking 50 opposing gaps, then you'll get an internal sweep, but you have no fucking context to take that trade.
I don't know. This month's been so booty.
Yeah, no, if I was trading like how I am now, though, like this whole month, just not taking trades and really being picky, I would probably be up on the month, to be honest.
I'm kind of thinking the same thing, and honestly, I was up on the month pretty good until this week. So I just let it go this week a little bit for whatever reason. Paid the price. Didn't even realize I was letting it go, but yeah. I think it was one of those cases where subconsciously I was just slowly and slowly and slowly getting more and more aggressive.
Uh,
And it just kept working. And it kept working and working and working until it didn't. And then it didn't work. And then I kept doing the same shit I was doing that was previously working. And I lost my ass. You know, I was getting fucking rewarded for probably bad habits, you know, for not playing it safe, for not paying myself first, and for taking a little more risk. Like we're already trading the markets, dude. Like I'm not trying to be a millionaire right now. I need to get fucking all my bills paid, and I just want to have a good summer. So I don't know why the fuck I don't know why the fuck I was ever thinking that it would be a good idea to go and swing for the fucking hills past, opposing 1 minute confluences. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea. I got more aggressive on my entries. I got more aggressive on my setups. Like my setups weren't even like full setups. They were solid B setups. And I was taking these B setups and then ignoring the reason why they were B setups and not taking anything out. It was like the same shit with you and those SMTs. The same exact shit with you and those SMTs. I was just getting fucked. And I had to lose like 6 in a row to be like, holy fuck, dude, what is going on? Unfortunately, the 6 in a row were really, really, really fast. It wasn't me just like losing. It was like there were a lot of re-entries, which is another thing that I was getting really rewarded. I was getting rewarded for re-entering, and I would get like I'd make all my money back and then some, and then I was like, all right, if it wicks me out, I can get back in on a wick out. But dude, like,
Hmm.
no, yeah, that was not the right call. Normal wick outs, sure. Like normally, like just one re-entry, that's probably fine. Grab it towards the end, get a good RR, and call it a day. You know, low risk.
Yeah.
It's not even how I was playing it. I don't know, just dumb. I was doing a lot of dumb shit this month. Part of that is just I think due to impatience, to be honest with you. I think I just get impatient. I get tired of waiting. And it's funny, I don't it's not even like I don't want to close a trade and make $30, you know?
No, that's how I am too.
And the fucking it's just such a mind fuck because I really don't want to I don't want to sit there and do that. But the
Yeah.
funny thing is it's still on 3 accounts, so it's really a $90, which it's hard for me to understand. I wish I could see the P&L like for all 3 accounts like you can when you're copy trading on Tradeovate. That would be cool.
Hmm.
Because then I can remind myself, oh, this is actually $90, and a $90 win is way better than a fucking $400 loss. But yeah, fuck, dude. I need to wait until I scale up, so I'm not just taking $30 fucking wins because those are so annoying. But tell you what, if you only ever take $30 wins and you never fucking lose, it's you're gonna end up doing pretty well, even at a negative RR.
Yeah, for real.
Usually, I at least go for a 1-to-1. If it's less than a 1-to-1, I typically won't take it. Like if a bearish confluence is established, the only time I will get less than a 1-to-1 is if the bar that is fills me also creates a fair value gap, and that happens sometimes. Where then it's like, oh shit, and I'm in the trade, but we just made a fair value gap, and it's kind of pushing to the downside now. All right, I'll get back out, and then a lot of times I get like 20 or $30, and that sucks. But a lot of
Yeah.
times I get it's at least a 1-to-1. Oh, but it's one of those where I also didn't understand. You're entering early. I have a limit order, you know, and because I'm using a limit order, I'm getting a really early entry, and it's like if the trade doesn't set up the way I want it to, which would be like if I were going to market order this, I wouldn't even take it. So at that point, what's the problem with getting $30 in profit and just getting out? Because it's not a trade I would have taken regardless, you know? I just happen to be in it because it's a limit order, and I get into everything. If you look at it like that, from that point of view, it's like, why the fuck would you ride that out? That makes no sense.
Yeah.
Well, this is kind of boring and choppy.
Yeah. I agree.
Technically, we have a 1 minute SMT though. Bullish. And now we don't have it anymore. Okay. Cool beans, bro. Actually, if we grab this internal low here, I would take a peek at shorts. Or long, sorry. And actually, if you want to get really fancy, here's a trend line. Dude, talk shit on the trend lines, but I'm not gonna lie, the other day they would have saved me. Because I was trading inside the trend line and just getting chopped up. I was like, why the fuck? Then I drew it later and I was like, oh damn. And then I saw the perfect trend line manipulation and then the distribution, and then I couldn't take the trade because I used all my risk. Well, I guess I could have technically taken the trade. It just would have been retarded. So if I would have lose that, if I would have lost that trade and then next trade, I would have crashed the fuck out. Oh man, this looks like manipulation to me though. I'm hoping this goes down and then pops back up. If anything, it's going to go down to this low right here. It won't go down to this bottom low. It will grab this low and then do its little manipulation. Did it grab it? It did, didn't it? Boy. No, it didn't.
No, it didn't.
Oh my god, my line is actually a little bit in front of the actual fucking bottom. Crazy. There he goes. Once we get a dump off of this.
I want to see.
I don't know, it's a big fucking trend. It's a big trend line, so tricky. Yeah, I had like 4 people say they wanted to learn trading, and nobody's been on a call this week, like the whole week. No one's. I started making videos, bro. Guarantee you, bro, no one is watching these videos. It's fine because I watch them, and I still think it's good. You know, it's good for me to fucking go back and see my. It's really good when I lay out my thought process while I'm like taking the trade. That's really good for me because I can go back and I can like see, oh, this is what I was thinking. And a lot of times it's way better than replay because that bar, the way it ticks, you can kind of go back and see, oh, that makes sense why I took this. Versus on like a replay or on something else, you've been like, what the fuck are you doing?
Yeah.
I had one of those moments too where it's like, oh yeah, this was literally looks like it was baiting me. Alright, well this does not seem to be a breakout. Unless we get some fucking power move upward. Good thing I was paying attention because the fucking algo is gonna try and trigger. Damn, I just ripped some fucking rancid ass. Holy fuck. Dude, it's like during my shit time, so I'm always just fucking stovepiping myself when I trade.
Wait, did this already take money?
No.
No, it didn't.
Keep an eye on ES though, because ES is way higher right now.
Well, my TP is at London low.
Are you in a trade?
Yeah, I'm actually in on my eval too. I really like the look of this short.
Oh, I forgot you were streaming. Let me take a peek. Well, I would expect the retrace. It looks like it's gonna probably pull back.
Dude, if we can just take the low.
Technically, we didn't make an SMT though, so you should be okay. You're gonna have to probably sit through a little bit of chop.
It comes near mine. I'm not gonna lie. To break even or end profit.
Not a bad idea. Oh. Well, it's about to trigger me. So if it hits mine, a lot of times it reacts on this line. If it hits this line, it's probably gonna flush to your TP. If it just blows through my line, we're probably both fucked, to be honest with you. Because my algo's about to get short.
Little bitch.
Of course, I am on ES, but what a fucking move to the upside.
About to get closed out.
Oh. Maybe a little reaction off that line. I got a baby reaction. Nothing yet, though. It's honestly, it looks not great. Yeah, it's...
Stop, Phil.
Damn, dude, this algo sucked dick this month. This is fucking so ass. Oh my god, it wicked me out. There's no way, right? 5895.25. Wow, my exact stop loss. Like, to the tick. Now I'm not gonna lie to you. I hope this. Okay, there you go. That makes me feel a little bit better, but it still only just swept my fucking stop. Wow, dude, that fucking sucks so much dick. Way to fucking stop me out to like the tick. And then flush down to my TP. Pretty cool. Yeah. That's so dick, dude. Really? On the last day? It hits 2.25 points. Really? And then flushes down to my fucking TP. You still in this? Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I won't openly say I hope this goes up, but I'm kind of thinking it.
You're good. You can say it if you want.
This is
If I
fucking,
lose, I lose. I mean,
this is fucking annoying, bro.
trade.
2.25 points. Stop by a tick. It won't go up. It's gonna go back down probably, at least this bottom.
Hope so.
Or at least to 3 points. You want to know why I know that? 'Cause it stopped me out. I could re-enter, but I'm not trying to blow this bitch. Tell you what, the algorithm, this thing teaches me patience more than fucking anything else. Because I sit here and I just get fucked. Yeah, dude. Hey, try this algorithm, man. 70% win rate. I think it seriously hit at probably like 40% this month. Let's find out actually. I think it's seriously. I'm pretty sure it's scratch on the month. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 losses. With 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wins. Pretty cool. That's not good at all. Well, that makes me feel good because it would have stopped me on the re-entry, so.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, that's crazy.
ES is just running, dude.
It's completely scratch. So I just lost fees this month. Break even.
Oh, we're about to have news, huh? News is about to come out.
Might as well keep it in. Maybe it flushes it lower. Nothing to fucking.
Honest.
You got nothing to
Like,
lose.
break even.
Yeah.
But it's looking like we're gonna go back up. I don't know.
It looks like it's gonna retrace off the trend line. That's what it looks like to me, anyway.
If we can just flush real quick before news comes out.
Or flush with news. I would bank that news might actually flush this down to that low. And if it doesn't, then yeah, we're going back up, which means we can catch longs.
It's tough with break even. Let's see.
There's
Am I
10.
getting fucked? Yep. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew that shit was gonna
It
happen.
literally just wicked you out too.
Yep. God, bro, this price action, dude, is so bad. Like, nigga, we can't even take a fucking low? Come on, bro. Fuck, dude.
Oh, we can, just not with you in it. It'll go down now.
Basic.
Maybe
God,
not.
dude. This shit is so fucking annoying. Like, nigga, we didn't even take out a low. We took out this 5 minute low right here, and we created fucking badass gaps through it. And then now I'm not taking any of the trade. Fuck that. That's stupid. I know I should have just been performing this. I knew that shit was gonna happen. It happens to me every single time.
It's good. This stuff.
So,
Doing nothing. I haven't been getting trades on my personal. Actually, I've been losing on both. Completely break even on the algorithm that's supposed to hit at 70%. Dude, what's funny is if I would have left it at 1-to-1, it would have been way, way worse. I would be down money. I left it at 1. Granted, in the long run, it's been making money. It just, of course, won't make money this month when I'm sticking to one strategy. Oh, let's just see what this looks. Left your mark on me. All right, let's see. Getting on the 5 minute in my way. Nothing we want inverse. In a minute and a half. The only problem is this looks like a retracement to the trend line to me. To be honest.
shit is, bro. This shit looks like a piece of fucking ass.
In reality, yes, it is. It ain't great. Speaking of ain't great, I'm kind of pissed about that fucking algorithm. This is the first month it's went break even. Right when I'm ready to trade it, dude. Otherwise, it made $900. Before that month, it made $2,500. Well, never mind. The first month we tested it, apparently it lost $100. So that month could have been worse. I hope the 1 month that hit $2,500 isn't a fucking fluke. Damn, this thing cannot fucking push up. 276.5. Trading hurts. It hurts. 21,
It does.
253.75.
But at least it's gonna be a nice day out today.
That is true. Now we won't get a retracement.
Yeah, like, bro, what the fuck are we fucking watching right now?
I was right. This was all manipulation. We're gonna go up now. Told you, dude. Trend lines. Don't count them out. I might actually have to switch this bitch to fucking.
On the line. And didn't we just fucking pump for no reason? What news even came out? Consumer sentiment.
Yeah,
What
it's
the fuck does that even mean?
just a fucking well, consumer sentiment is like where the market is, where the buying power is, what consumers are buying, GDP, shit like that.
Levels of composite index based on surveyed consumers.
Yep. Dude, we're not
Source,
getting a retracement. Holy fuck.
University of Michigan. Who the fuck goes to the University of Michigan?
Probably people that live in Michigan.
Fucking retards.
Maybe.
Niggas who aren't day traders.
That sounds like they're consumers.
Yeah, so they're not day traders.
No, they're not. They probably actually get
We're
to keep
not
the money they make.
consumers. We own the consumes that they buy.
We sure try. This looks pretty good, but if these trend lines mean anything, it's not coming back. Because that was manipulation, now it's going to distribute to the fucking upside. If anything, it'll bounce one more time off the trend line. And my limit is lower than that. Boy, all my old breakout boys are going to be fucking hard over this, though, I'll tell you what. Maybe we'll get shorts. Solid distribution, just like it's been the whole month, though. There's no fucking retracements. It's exactly what happened yesterday, too. There's no retracements. And then the same shit happened with the line yesterday. It just doesn't give a fuck about this midline.
Yeah, like nigga.
Maybe you're supposed to. Why is the ES 1 hour here? Am I supposed to look at the trend?
That's just a note to take. Close before news comes out.
I don't know. Maybe this strategy isn't meant to be used against the trend. The high time frame trend. Dude, what? Why is this ES 1 hour look so gay? One hour trend is definitely bearish. I don't know why that chart looks so dumb. Oh.
Yeah, nigga. We just randomly fucking reverse. It don't make sense.
Not only that, but we get no retracements. Don't leave that part out.
Exactly. No retracements, no sweeps, not even an SMT, which is a fucking sweep.
And that. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Just been that kind of month. Been that kind of fucking month.
Badass. That's so unfortunate. Yeah. Yeah. How close were we? We're literally 9 points, bro. 9 points away from TP, bro.
That was me 2 days ago. It's so unfortunate. Much for a one-on-one. Like to book a one-on-one or to like be in the premium and get one-on-ones. Because you can I give like one free one-on-one for every new member, but then like if you want consistent one-on-ones, then you can just join the premium, which is all like in the free trial, and you'll get like 7 days free of it. And then obviously if you like it, you can keep it, and then if you don't, you can just cancel. How much is it? It's so it's a monthly subscription of $100 where you can just pay like a lifetime fee, and so you get access to the Discord like basically the whole just forever. You don't need to pay a single dime after that, and that's like $1,000.
Austin.
Alright. You can so you see the free trial channel at the top of the Discord. You can just go there, and then you'll get a 7 day free trial.
I think it's just pushing, bro. No retracements.
And so after those 7 days, then they'll just be $100 a month. But you can make that back really quick. Dude, just yeah, no, that is. This message just be done for the day.
But my mic was on the whole time.
Oh yeah, I can hear it.
I'm gonna pay the I'm gonna do the trial and I'm gonna do the dollars.
All right. Have you go ahead.
I'm probably gonna do it by like next week.
Okay.
We're starting next week.
If you want, we can have a call before then, and then I can
Okay.
just run through everything you get, and then how I can actually help you become profitable and start trading.
Okay. You are you free on Sunday?
Yeah, it should be. What time?
Let's see if I can get to the
We
end
can
of it.
do, we can do like
That's perfect.
11, 12.
That should be pretty
I can do 12. Yeah, because I get out of church at about 11.
Okay. Yeah, we can do 12, 12:30. That's fine.
Also,
All right. I'll go back to work now.
all right, I'll see you, bro.
All right. See you.
About to fucking start my own Discord. Damn.
I have so many other people that are like waiting, like that said they're going to sign up, bro. Like, I can't wait till I'm not just like making like dude. That's what I'm saying is like once I have one good month, bro, I'm spamming all of those fucking payouts and the money I'm making all over my fucking shit, bro.
Me too, bro. Me too.
And then all them niggas are gonna come in here, and then I'm gonna turn into one of those niggas who makes fucking 6 figures off of a course and only $5,000 off trading.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I wouldn't actually. I would try, honestly, like for how much money some of those discords make. Like, I would probably try to make more than my discord brings in, but that
Yeah, you
is
almost-
with people and not me. So
Yeah, you gotta try, obviously, because otherwise these fuckers are just gonna leave. You gotta keep them paid. If you keep them
Yeah,
paid, they
exactly.
stay.
yeah,
And they
just
pay your
fucking
rent.
spoon feed their ass.
Yep. It's always been kind of the plan for me too. I'm not gonna lie, but I've been waiting until I'm waiting until I get not only maybe a little bit better lifestyle, but because dude, you also gotta spam pictures of cars and shit. It's so hard to grow, you know?
Yeah, the fucking gurus and shit. Yeah, I know. Like, I don't post, like, I don't know. Because how they have it set up, it's like educational content on Instagram and TikTok. So it's like, whenever I do get a car, I will post it and then that will drag more traction for sure. So I just gotta wait.
Gotta do what all the little boys are doing and get a fucking Beamer.
Dude, I like them, bro. I like them. I don't know what else I would get because like I need something that I can use like year round.
This is a fucking crazy reaction off the top of this trend line. Dude, today is just a breakout trader's fucking dream. Wet dream, even.
Dude, I know.
I got a buddy that probably makes a fuck ton of money on his fucking Discord. He's got a ton of people in it. Crazy how much selling the dream. Like if you sell profitable trading, you can sell that so easily, dude. Because who the fuck doesn't want to quit their job and trade full time? But dude, like the sad reality is, man, a lot of these fuckers, they're not making it. They're gonna give you,
Yeah,
they're gonna give you money and they're gonna quit after a month when they lose all theirs.
yeah, that's how it is, really. Which is unfortunate. Which I don't want that. Like, I really like that. Like, that's just sad truth. But like, some of them, like, they'll maybe get a few payouts, make a little bit of money, but the percent of those people that are actually gonna go on to consistently be making tens of thousands of dollars a month after even they're done with the Discord is like very slim.
Yeah, bro, it's fucking crazy. Everybody and their mom is trying to sell a fucking Discord. And it's
I know.
crazy. Like, if you ever fucking are any, like, just slightly curious, dude, every now and then I'll fucking find some on TikTok and I'll hit the guy up and I'll be like, just curious, what's the win rate? And just because I like to see all the fluff and all the bullshit. And, dude, there's so much fucking fluff and bullshit they throw in there. It's crazy.
Yeah. They really try to make it look good.
And I feel so bad for the people that are just. I mean, I guess I don't really feel that because I was there too. Everybody's gullible and buys a course at one point. You just hopefully you get a good roll of the dice and you find somebody who actually gets you into at least the good stuff in trading, and not fucking random ass buy and sell signals and bullshit like I got.
That's how I was Dude, my first course was a fucking buy and sell signal group.
Yeah, dude. Well, it's always
You know,
those ones that are
some
marketed as like
courses.
it's gonna be super easy, you know.
Oh, dude, yeah.
That's the best
Super
part is if you
user-friendly.
can say you got like this algorithm or something. Trades for you. It's easy. Just sit back, don't do anything, and make $1 million a year. It's like that's so fucking bullshit, man. You with trading, it truly is. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably fucking is.
It is, yeah.
And someone's lying to you, and they want to get your fucking money.
Yeah.
The really, really good liars are gonna keep fucking blaming it on you, and making you think that you're just learning. And like, oh, you just did this. Oh, hey. And they'll go on demo or something and bang out a big ass trade and post it up in the group. Fucking crazy shit. I'm not gonna lie. But then they do copy trade sessions and I don't know. A lot of these guys they swing trade these prop firms and I don't know. I just don't. Not my style. I'm not a swing trader. I don't think. I've tried it in the past. It just makes me fucking annoyed every time.
Yeah.
There's nothing that makes me fucking more mad than like what happened to you today. I would rather lose a fucking trade than be like 2 points from target and hit break even.
It's like
All well
why can you
with.
move down another 9 fucking points, bro?
Yeah, I don't know. That fucking pisses me off to be honest.
Ah,
And like targets, like I hate hitting one target and then taking out like 3 micros and like, oh hey look, you made $50, but now it's gonna come back and stop you out and the next trade you lose, you're gonna lose 200.
no, literally.
Like that's backwards as that like backwards as fuck. What does that do? Dick. We got a bearish SMT like a motherfucker right now.
Fuck. This shit is like June, bro. June better be good, bro. If I can get a good month in June, holy fuck, am I gonna like, bro?
If Drew isn't good, I'm gonna try out this new mouthwash called my shotgun barrel.
Oh God, bro. Fuck.
See how the tip of my
Fuck.
shotgun tastes.
I haven't heard that before, bro. You caught me off guard with that shit.
Chew on it a little bit, play with it.
Look around the tip a little bit.
Yeah, there you go. Tease it. Oh my god, this is such fucking horseshit. I'm not gonna lie, this is as good as a sweep to me, an SMT. If not, it's probably better than a sweep, no? Would you say?
SMT.
Yeah, if you get a bearish SMT, it's probably better than a sweep.
Nowadays, yeah.
Well, if ES sweeps and NQ doesn't.
I mean, yeah. I've always waited for the NQ sweep personally.
Hmm.
That's just me. I don't know why.
Well, we'll see, because I don't even know if we're gonna get anything off this. If it's anything like the rest of the fucking month, we probably won't. That or we'll get a sweet trade that looks all dope, and then it has a 1 minute fair value gap, the opposing direction, like 2 points away from my entry. And then I don't take it. Imagine I take a trade that's like, whoa, 1996 Honda Odyssey. Yeah, imagine I take a trade that's like 46-point stop with a 2-point target.
I saw somebody like post that dumbass shit on.
Yeah, I saw that too. I probably saw the same fucking TikTok as you.
Nigga had like his fucking stop loss was all the way up there, and his take profit was just like a few points.
Yeah, it's
Bro,
funny, dude. How to trade? It was like then the caption was how to trade fucking May price action.
Some shit like
just have a fucking a 0.5 to 1.
yeah.
You're good, dude.
No.
Honestly, I don't even think that would work. I think you'd still get stopped.
No, yeah, with this price action, yeah. I don't like. I want to know like why. Why is price action bad? I want to know like.
Well,
Tell me the reason.
typically summer's supposed to be a little worse, so that doesn't help us.
Yeah, I heard that. I might go take a peek at like June last year.
June last year though was, well, it was good for my gap strategy. What I was doing at the time. But the good news is if
Like
it's good for gaps, that at
continuations.
least means it's retracing, you know? Oh my god, bro.
Everybody's so nice in this game. I remember people used to be fucking assholes. Of cards. What is this for? 50,000, bro.
Oh my fucking dude. Oh! Oh. Dude, this won't even let me lose any money. It's not even coming back to my fucking setup. Oh, there you go. Hey, look, there's a perfect reaction off this line, though, to the upside, so that's cool. Oh, here we go. No retracements again. Let's just go fucking 400 points in the air for no reason. Oh my fucking dude. I'm gonna crash the fuck out, bro. What really pains me is how much money I still could have made this month. Like honestly, the month wasn't even like it was bad. It really wasn't like undoable though.
Yeah.
I could have made money this month if I wasn't a dumbass. And I really honestly threw it all away these last like 2 days. The Tuesday and Wednesday this week just fuck my whole month up. Oh, there you go. SMT gone.
SMT scheme.
Well, maybe not. Maybe we'll just sweep this and head back down. You know what the good news is? There's only 1,000 fucking fair value gaps on the way down.
No, literally, bro. Oh my
Don't be
God.
afraid to take
That's all-
shorts, except for get ready to be on your toes, because every fucking other second there's a new fair value gap that could reverse it and throw out your stop loss.
To say this nigga has been on Roblox for 9 hours?
Grinding it out, dude. Oh my god, they only make 117 horsepower.
What?
The fucking R9. I know they were so weak. Put that in fucking perspective. The R1 makes 200. Makes like 20 horsepower short of double the R9. We're waiting for the R11 though.
That be coming out.
Fuck, I know. I don't think it doesn't exist yet. Oh, look at that. Another perfect reaction off this fucking middle line here. Wow. Dude, if I was counting on this algo to pay my fucking rent, this month I'd be sleeping in a fucking box.
Same, bro. Same.
Such horseshit. I just need 4 people in my Discord. And then like all I need to do after that is donate plasma or some bullshit. I got rent. I got rent free. I can eat off the fucking scrap from the table, but I don't know. The only thing is, I don't really have the patience to teach people, I don't think. I mean, I wouldn't mind it, I guess, but I don't know. That's just not really how I am. I get so fucking mad at people.
I mean, I don't know. I always kind of just like helping people out, honestly. And then me teaching people also, like, I think makes me a better trader as well. I took a long right now. It just texted me. He just took a long. Okay. At highs. Nice. Let's see. Is he gonna get stopped out? Possibly.
No, I'd agree with you. I think that's right. Jesus. Slam my door because I got happy, guys. 376. Like, really, though? Like, the second I go to fucking piss? This ain't fucking pretty at all. Uh-huh.
Damn.
Nine. It won't retrace, I guarantee you. Here's the short. Here's the fucking short. $379.
Damn. Fuck you, bitch. On that shit. Hell yeah. Like maybe pros.
And 385.25. No, there's this.
Damn, that shit's pumping.
Yeah, I should have marked ordered that, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not, that actually looked really good. God, dude. Oh, oh fucking God, dude. I'm about to make my fucking fair value gaps lime green, I guess, because $85. I have to switch my fucking color to yellow or something because I can't see these for shit. All right. Didn't even honestly look all that bad. And there was a bearish SMT. Oh, This thing's begging me to re-enter it. You know what's funny? On this re-enter, it'll fucking work. There it goes.
Yeah, news on Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We have news every day next week. Oh, fucking Powell speaks on Monday. Fuck him.
Yeah, there's the target on the re-entry. It didn't wick me out though, and my new rules are you can only take a re-entry if you get wicked. Because guess what? I took this trade the last 2 days and it didn't work. So of course now it's gonna work, right? I wanted more risk because I assumed that this was gonna happen. $21,383.
Fuck. Fuck this. Wait. Ugh. It's been rough. Uh, oh well. Honestly though, it's been a good bit like Pino wise, it's been a good.
Wise, it's been a bad week.
Fuck this. I'm gonna hop off and go make some breakfast to satisfy my hunger since the fucking futures market can't.
That's fair.
Oh, fucking
Come on,
juice.
dude. Shove this shit down. 379.5.
OBS Studio. Alright, well, I'll see you on Monday, pal.
All right, buddy. Take it easy. Crazy. Hmm. Did the same shit yesterday. Thing is, these trades are crazy. They go deep. I should have taken it all out here, but I knew this one had pretty high confluence. I got my lick back and some. Boy, made me work for it though. I took out one contract here, so that I did technically follow my rules. I took out 1/3 here, that way, and then when it moved down and invalidated it, I brought my stop up and took some risk off. Because like it or not, this gap being in the way takes a little bit of confidence out of this trade. Because it could just react right off this fucking thing. Like it did. You know? And that could have just shot it right up to my stop loss. We're snipers here, guys. We can't afford to take risks like that. The wind changes just slightly. This is the wind changing. We're trying to snipe here. We're trying to fucking... Excuse me. We're trying to set this sniper up. We're fucking shooting out to a mile, and we see a little shift in the wind. Something's telling us it's not quite right anymore. You gotta react to that, man. Take some risk off. The wind's blowing a little bit from the right now, and you were aimed really, really, really left. Move that bit of, you know, move your crosshair a bit more right. It's all about mitigating risk. We got to pay ourselves, you know? We got to pay ourselves and we have to take risk off. We could have went for this wick. Another 6 points. Probably should have, honestly. But it's probably not worth $25 to me. Not worth $25 for me in case it doesn't go for this wick and in case it stops short. Again, it's just about mitigating risk, man. It's too bad this wasn't the first trade because this was pretty decent. If this would have hit, this would have been your full 150. There's a lesson there in not getting emotional. If one setup didn't work and you see a sweep, wait for the next setup, man. It's coming. The better setup with the better RR and a looser stop. Let's see, 15.5. Basically a break-even day, to be honest with you. I call that an A trade. The only reason I'm going to make the one before this B plus is just because it was so damn tight. But that's one where it wouldn't have even mattered where your stop was. That's what an RR can also do for you. So we hit a full stop loss here. And we hit a TP here, but had, whoa, this is crazy. Look at that trade wicking out, or making it, moving twice. We had a, not even a full target. So we only hit this target with 2 contracts. We had 2/3 of our risk riding in this, and we still made all the money we lost back and more. See, this is how we need to keep trading. I don't know. I might change the color of my fucking gaps because these are so hard to see. Oh. Yellow. It doesn't have to fucking look that good, dude. I can't see him. If I can't see a fucking fair value gap, then I can't see it. You know? I'll try just making them wider first. But man, that's just feels like it's hard to see. There you go. We'll try that first. Just a little bit more pop. Make them bigger, make them brighter, make the background a little bit lighter. Well, that all rhymes.